Hello everyone, Thiago here from OneUpTech, and today we are going to unboxing this little guy here, the Nintendo Switch 2, which does not need any introduction. So let's do it. The first Nintendo Switch was released in 2017, just over 8 years, and it's very exciting this moment, for me at least, because we are going to unbox the first Switch together for the channel. And right off the box, the screen already looks big and it's very nice. Let's remove it from the plastic. Look at this. So crisp. It's very big. I have a Nintendo Switch OLED here for you guys to compare the size. I'm gonna show up like soon. I know there is a little wiggle here for the connection of the Joy-Cons too. It is made on purpose. And here on top, you can see on the same place from the Switch, the previous Switch, where you can insert the game. This version is also compatible with Nintendo Switch 1 games. You can connect your headset over here using the 3.5 millimeters jack, a USB-C port where you can also charge on top, on the bottom as well. Also the volume buttons and the power button on the left. On the back, you have the new version of the stand where you can adjust the angle as you need, and also the USB-C port that I've already told you guys. And also over here you can connect the new micro SD express card. So let's put this one on the side and let's get the Joy-Cons. Like the new Joy-Cons, they look bigger than the previous version. And let's connect this one for the first time. Oh, it's very nice. It's a very good sensation. Yeah, pretty easy. And for you to remove, just remove the Joy-Cons by pressing this button here, and that's it. Easy peasy. Let's put it back. I will compare this one soon with the Nintendo Switch OLED, and let me see what else we have in the box here. Oh, we have the support for the Joy-Cons, the new Joy-Cons. This one is flat. That's nice. Let me connect one for you guys to see. Yeah, the connection is same thing. Just easy to connect. Let me connect the other one too. Yeah, easy. Yeah, it feels better than the previous version because I have like big hands, and this one feels more comfortable. Even though I do believe that the Pro controller will be better than this one, but when you are using this one docked, it's great. It looks great. Feels great. I'll put it back. Yeah. I really like how you connect the new Joy-Cons. Very easy. We have the power adapter here, which has a USB-C port, the USB-C cable as well to charge it, and the dock. That's everything, plus the manuals that you're gonna find in the box. I'm gonna put the box on the side so you guys can see better like the equipment. And here we have the new dock. It feels nice. It's also bigger than the previous version. This one has more ports. It has an Ethernet port here, HDMI, and the AC adapter over here. The fan has been improved, and that's basically it. it looks better, feels better, and we will have to test it out. Cool. So let me put this one on the side as well. And for size comparison, I have the Nintendo OLED here, where you guys can see the Nintendo Switch 2 comes with a 7.9 inches LCD screen, 256 gigabytes for storage, Wi-Fi 6, and that's basically what matters most. Yeah, this one feels small now that we have like the Nintendo Switch 2. It feels comfortable in my hand, but I do think we need something more ergonomical, like at least for me, to play like for hours, I would say. I can tell right away that the buttons are bigger, the joysticks are bigger as well, but the positions and everything else, it's good. It looks great. And let's do also a comparison with the dock size. Let me put it like this. Yeah, it's a little bit bigger. I don't know, almost an inch bigger on the side. And if you put it like this, it's almost the same size. You put it like this, it's almost the same size. Cool. Now, yeah, this one looks like a. When you put like the Nintendo Switch 2 in the dock, it feels like it's loose, like it's not supported like on the side. Let me compare the same thing with the Nintendo Switch OLED. It's the same thing. Yeah, it's basically like the same thing. So nothing to worry about. And put on these guys on the side. And let's turn it on and see how it goes. Are you guys excited? Let me know in the comments below if you are planning to buy one. Okay, it's a nice sound. I heard that we have like to do an update for the first day before you play any games. We will see. Yeah, it's gonna start like downloading updates. I am in UTC-4. Okay, next. Okay. Okay, I know how to disconnect the Joy-Cons too. Okay, I have to disconnect. Okay. Cool. Later. Oh, I forgot one thing. While this one is downloading the updates, this version has, it's the bundle. This version is the bundle, has the Mario Kart World code manuals. It comes with the HDMI cable that you're gonna need to connect to the TV, and also the straps and the accessories for you to use the Joy-Cons as mouse, because both of them you can use as mouse. What do you guys think about this option? I'm kind of skeptical at the moment, but I'm open to test it. Yeah, you can use like the mouse. Oh, and it's actually working right away. It's just plug and play. That's cool. During the setup, you're gonna be asked like to insert the micro SD express if you have one. I don't have one, so. And it also has instructions on how to insert it. You can see, as I told you, it's behind the stand, so you have like to lift it up and then insert the micro SD express. Cool. That's it. That's the initial setup. I'm gonna connect one game here. Let's start with the Super Mario Odyssey. I wanna see how easy is the compatibility with this guy. So yeah, it's already showing up here. I'm gonna download the update. Okay.
Two hours later.
Cool. So there you have it, the unboxing of the Nintendo Switch 2. Let me know down in the comments below whether you guys are planning to buy one or not. And what features do you like the most? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. And you may like this one here as well, where I do an unboxing of the PlayStation Portal 30th Anniversary Edition and an in-depth review after months playing with it. Thank you for watching, and I catch you guys in the next one.